Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the Google Play Store app or visiting Play. Google.com, make sure you are signed into the Google account you want a credit. Once done, tap your profile icon, choose Payments and Subscriptions, then Redeem Code. Enter the 16-character code exactly as printed. Use capitals and hyphens if shown, because formatting matters. You'll see the Redeem preview and the amount to be added. Confirm to apply the balance to your Google Play account before moving to Purchases. Now you type the code into the Redeem field. Take your time to avoid mixing similar characters like 0 and letter O or 1 and lowercase l. After entering, press Redeem and watch for the confirmation screen that shows the dollar amount or credit added. If prompted, choose the payment method or apply the balance to subscriptions or app purchases. You can set it as default for one-time buys. Keep the receipt screen or screenshot for proof until balance appears. Finish by checking your Play balance under Payments and Subscriptions to confirm the credit. If the code fails, make sure the card isn't region-locked, hasn't expired, and that you entered every character correctly. Some codes are redeemable only in specific countries. If the balance still doesn't appear, sign out and back in, clear the Play Store cache, and retry. As a last resort, contact Google Play support and provide the receipt or code image so they can investigate and restore your funds.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.